Good afternoon, everyone. It's Louise here from Eleanor Grace. I'm in true British style, going to apologise for being ill, but unfortunately, last few weeks I haven't been very well, and I'm fully on the mend now. But it has meant that I've put back a few things that I was hoping to have got out a bit sooner. So I thought I'd just give you a general update on that and just tell you my plans for the next few weeks. Um, as you all know, I have had some issues with the YouTube channel membership. I've been trying to resolve this with YouTube. It seems to be very slow in trying to get it resolved. So what I've decided to do is to do things a little bit differently. I thought I'll just explain to you. So with my YouTube membership, what I was hoping to do was raise some funds towards some better equipment so I can make better videos for you. So firstly, to have a camera holder that's not quite so wobbly. As you can see, this one goes at the slightest motion. So what I would like to do instead is offer some of the videos that I was going to offer as part of the membership until I can get that resolved, and then I'll obviously produce some new content for membership when that is resolved. So one of the ones I was going to add onto the membership was to do this. Now I've been messing around with different fibers here, but I was going to be doing a video on colour, because we've done our little colour masterclass recently, and also on particularly on the bullion, on fishbone stitch, and on the use of colour. So within here, using different threads and different weights and different colours. So what I've decided I'm going to do is I'm going to make this video. I'm going to continue to make it as I planned, and then I will release that as a workshop, which will be for purchase by anybody. So anywhere in the world, it'll be a virtual workshop, and it will be just £5. Now that is a real bargain. It is going to be, knowing how much I talk, at least an hour, probably more, in terms of getting it together, what you need, and also, putting together your piece as you're working on it. So I'm going to be planning that over the next couple of weeks. And that is the first one that I'm going to provide. What I'm also up to at the moment is I'm due to do a workshop on Saturday at, if you're anywhere near Wiltshire, it's very near to Warminster in Boyton. I've only got a couple of places left on it, and it is going to be to make a bookmark. So it's I do have this virtually as well, if anyone is interested. And this is one in progress at the moment that I'm making specifically for to show them some of the stitches. And this workshop is in person. And as I say, I do also have a virtual version of it. So that is next weekend. So you can always comment if you are in the Wiltshire, obviously UK area. Then I can always send you the details. I think there are 2 places left the last time I looked. So I'm looking forward to that. And the second one I'm going to do is a version of something I did on here last year, but I'm going to do some an additional little thing. I showed you these, I think, a little while ago, or at least showed you the idea with the one with Ella. She always gets in there somewhere, doesn't she? I'm going to be doing a workshop in Trowbridge in November, and that is going to be I'm going to make some Christmassy versions of this, although this one I feel is rather nice and festive. You could almost swap up the pink for red and it would be very festive. So I'm going to be making some more lovely gift tags, and I'm going to be going through the process of how to make that, and also how to do some stitching, how to put a name on there, and also making up some Christmas baubles. So this is a little version of something I've done a couple of times. So that is on here. We did the penny mats, and also I did Christmas baubles last year. So this is a sort of version of that. I'm going to be putting these two together in another video. So there's going to be an in-person version of this in Trowbridge in November, and I will confirm the date. I'm just confirming it with the venue at the moment. And I will also be producing again on video these ones for £5. So it will be going over, how to make a gift tag, and how to make some lovely baubles. And as you can see, this one's not finished yet. I've just been playing around with it. But as I say, apologies again in a very British way for my absence over the last weeks, really. But I'm now fighting fit and hoping to get back on track. So if you are interested, what I would say, if you're not already in the group in Facebook, Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace, please do join in there, because that's the easiest way for me to share with you when these are coming out. I would imagine that these are not going to be finished until early November. And that would fit about right with the timing for my class in Trowbridge as well. So I will be getting together some lovely, all sorts of different options. This one is sort of similar to what we've done before, but I'm going to do some different ones as well for the baubles. I've got some lovely ideas. I just need to get them out now. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting back into my slow stitching and getting a couple of lovely projects for you ready for Christmas. So I'm going to move this one out the way, pop that one back in. So just to say, if you are interested in these, please do join the group if you're on Facebook. If you're not, then obviously please, you can put a note on here, but unfortunately I can't. You can put a comment on, but unfortunately I can't get hold of anyone through their comments. So it's probably easiest for you if you can join Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace. And if you join the group, don't forget to just answer the questions very simply. We do that in order to try and avoid any bots or anyone that might want to disrupt the group. So yeah, thank you for bearing with me, and I look forward to having some exciting content for you now over the next few weeks. And it will be I've got my workshop next Saturday, so it will be Sunday or Monday the next video is going to come out. But in the meantime, I'm going to be working on some Christmassy versions of these, and yeah, look forward to showing you those when they're ready. Okay, take care. Thanks. Bye.